right? Like fifth house, intelligence. From Karkamsha Lagna, intelligence is Aries. See, Saturn is aspecting it. Jupiter is aspecting it. Mars and Moon is aspecting it. What else you want? So wherever Saturn is connected with fifth house from Karkamsha Lagna, or Mercury is connected, the person is very intelligent and down to earth. He goes very deep into every subject. Okay. That was not my topic. Please.
सर मेरा प्रश्न है,
हाँ जी.
डेबिलेटेड प्लैनेट ऐसे कोई टाइम पीरियड हम बता सकते हैं कि दशा में ही अपने स्ट्रेंथ गेन करेगा, या कितने समय में स्ट्रेंथ गेन करता है, और किस हद तक वो स्ट्रेंथ गेन कर पाता है?
किसी प्लेनेट का डेबिलिटेटेड छोड़ दो, आपके दिमाग में जब ये क्वेश्चन आया है तो आप मुझे बताइए कि कौन सा प्लेनेट कब स्ट्रेंथ गेन करता है, कोई भी जो आपको पता हो.
स्ट्रेंथ गेन करने में मरकरी जिसके साथ होता है वही गेन उस टाइप का गेन करता है, बाकी कम स्ट्रेंथ गेन करने वाला तो ऐसा कोई प्लेनेट नहीं है.
नहीं, मैं तो आपसे ये पूछा कि मरकरी के साथ जो होता है,
हाँ जी,
वो प्लेनेट स्ट्रेंथ गेन करता है. आप यही कह रहे हैं ना?
नहीं, मैं कह रही, आपने पूछा कि मरकरी कौन सा प्लेनेट स्ट्रेंथ कम गेन करता है, तो
नहीं, आपने
हाँ जी,
कहा
हाँ जी,
कब गेन
हाँ
करता है.
हाँ जी, कब गेन करता है, जैसे मार्स डेबिलेटेड हुआ या इस तरीके से कोई भी
नहीं,
प्लेनेट डेबिलेटेड हुआ.
मैंने आपसे
जी,
ये प्रश्न पूछा कि डेबिलिटेशन को छोड़ दीजिए, कहीं भी ऐसा लिखा है कि फला फला ग्रह इस समय जाकर के बली हो जाएगा?
नहीं.
फिर तो ये क्वेश्चन क्यों पूछ रहे भाई मेरे से?
सर आप तो टीचर हैं, तो फिर
भैया ये
ऐसा लगता है कि
इररिलेवेंट है ना.
अच्छा,
ये तरीका नहीं है.
ठीक.
हाँ, वो पूरी कुंडली होती है, कौन बली हो रहा है कौन नहीं बली हो रहा है, कब हो रहा है. ठीक है भैया.
हाँ जी सर,
इस तरह
थैंक यू.
चलो, एक और चार्ट था. अभी इनका डिफरेंस दिखा देता हूं. वो चार्ट था शायद इंडिया गांधी.
सर महात्मा गांधी बोला है आपने?
इंदिरा लिखा था मैंने.
अच्छा सर, डिटेल्स दीजिए, मैं दे
नहीं, कोई सारी डिटेल नहीं, महात्मा गांधी का लगा दो. चलो
ठीक है.
बनाया हुआ है ना
सर? वो इसमें जगन्नाथ होरा में बना देना.
किसी में भी बना दो. टेक एनी चार्ट. ओके, डू वन थिंग शिखा जी.
हाँ सर.
इफ एनी ऑफ द पार्टिसिपेंट वांट टू टेक ए चार्ट, वी विल टेक दैट.
ओके सर, ये बन गया, एक ही
बन गया. ओके.
Yes sir.
Yes, PK is Saturn here. Okay.
Yes.
Saturn is in second house. It is aspected by Jupiter, Rahu, Ketu, Moon. I don't want to give the verdict. You give the verdict. Jupiter, wise person. Okay. Rahu and Ketu. I said he becomes dictatorial. His dignity is of a dictator. Moon, moody. Here, moon is in a movable sign. Rahu and Ketu, Jupiter, all are in movable sign. So all these factors on PK will change frequently. Mood will have so many swings. Wisdom will have many swings. Not only what we are looking at Mahatma Gandhi ji is his role in freedom fighting. See his life. How the mental status took sudden jumps, sudden changes. How the wisdom were in quick actions. Suddenly, sometime good, sometime bad. Quickly, all things, all dignity, what we learn about Gandhiji, that he was very quick in talking to all these in meetings, round table, etc. And he used to quickly respond. Of course, round table was won by Madan Mohan Malviya ji because he had gone with him, and I am a student of BHU. So we learned that he was the main pillar in round table conference, and even Gandhiji used to call him Bada Bhai and take his advice. Okay, so quickly you can check it.
Very easy.
Okay.
Yes, sir. So, any questions about this chart?
सर इस चार्ट को अगर कारकांश लगन से देखें तो
ये कहाँ से?
कारकांश लगन से
देख लो यार, देख लो कौन बना कारकांश लगन?
सर ये मीन बना, मीन
पाइसेस के पाइसेस पे 11th हाउस पे आप देख लीजिए,
केतु।
सैटर्न का एस्पेक्ट आ रहा है,
आ रहा है सर।
एंड सैटर्न साइन है 11th हाउस पे।
मार्स।
मिल गया ना फेम? ठीक है भैया।
सर अगर कोई रेट्रो से मीनिंग होता है?
हर चीज का अलग मीनिंग है भैया।
जी सर।
हाँ, रेट्रोग्रेशन पे शायद मैं बॉम्बे आया था, कितना लंबा लेक्चर दिया था।
किया था सर।
हर चीज का अलग मीनिंग।
सर इसमें
There is a full 2 hour lecture done by retrogression, combust, सब सारे के सारे सर ने इतने beautifully सिखाए हैं, and we all apply them in now reading the chart. Sir, thank you so much.
थैंक यू।
You have taught us so much.
हाँ जी,
सर पीके अगर रेट्रोग्रेड रहेगा
नो प्रॉब्लम यार, फॉलो वन रूल देन कम टू रेट्रोग्रेशन। Retrogression, Rituraj ji, I had taught you in Gurgaon also. I think 3 or 4 lectures.
जी सर।
And I had summed up how to see the effect of retrograde planet.
अनुभूति नहीं होती है।
Yes. ठीक है जी, चलो बहुत बढ़िया लगा भाई, आप सब लोग इतने इकट्ठे हो गए।
Sir,
वेरी गुड।
chat में each and every person has wished you a very happy birthday and
Thank you.
everything. If you can,
Thank
if you want to see the chat, I'll just put it for 1 minute, or it is okay. Anyways, you all see.
No, no, any chart you want to take, we can take 5 minutes
सर
more.
पार्टिसिपेंट के लेंगे सर?
Any, I said
So one
any.
chart has already come in, so I will take that chart first. Okay, one chart we'll take.
Now, actually, all those who are in this webinar, they can apply and they must have applied in their chart by now.
Yes, but
Because
yes,
everybody knows this chart.
yes. I hope this chart is correct. Whoever has given me this chart, I'll just share the screen. Sir, is this chart correct?
I am not seeing the chart and don't ask me.
I have shared the chart, sir. 1 minute. Yes. Venus is the PK.
Okay. भाई whosoever's chart is this, गुस्सा उस्सा कम किया करो भाई, घर में प्यार रखो. You are wise, I know, very wise. Wisdom is there, but don't take disadvantage of that. You try to impose your things by the route of Rahu and Ketu.
सर आपने गुस्सा कहाँ से देखा?
अरे Rahu and Ketu, I had said tyrant,
Okay.
dictatorial things. So Venus is with Jupiter, wisdom, wise. People take you, think you as wise person. But Rahu and Ketu aspect on that is giving you dictatorship, tyrant. So avoid that. Whose chart is this? Can you?
Sir, it's me, Srinivas, sir.
Yeah,
Srinivas, sir, it's me.
yeah. So you impose too much on your family, on society, on friends, on younger brothers, sisters. It is third house, neighbors.
But really, I'm not that kind, sir.
You try to, you are wise, they take you as wise,
Sir.
but as a tyrant also.
Okay.
So avoid that, you will be liked.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, one question. This PK is public's perception about us, so he may not be like that, but people may perceive him like that.
I said dignity. One is, what is dignity? Dignity is only in the family and the society. Okay, that is the dignity you enjoy in your family and society. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And I thank each and every one of you for being here. I'm
Thank
sorry
you.
I kept it as a secret. Thank you, everybody.
No, I was thinking that it will be just a promo recording.
Yes, sir. That's why I said 30th ko karte hain. So
Hmm.
even these
No.
participants didn't know why I had kept it.
Okay. No,
Thank
Thank you so much, sir.
Actually, on 30th, we will have a program in the house, and my
Yes,
family
sir.
will not like
Yes, sir. Please,
that I am
please.
sitting here.
Sir, we were supposed to come to Delhi
Yeah,
during this time.
missing
So,
it.
missing it.
Yes, sir. Missing it, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. We wish you again a very happy birthday.
Thanks a lot.
Thank
Thanks a
sir.
lot.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Madam. Once again, happy birthday.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Okay.